welcome back to the channel. Today is a short video about the wood panelling on your caravan. Now we have a hole which I accidentally made when I was doing one of my how-to videos, and I need to cover it up. So I went online and I had a look around, and I ended up on eBay of all places, and I found some vinyl stickers. Now these stickers are a similar match to the panelling on my caravan, and they're also got 3M adhesive on the back. So I thought I'd show you these today and just show you the little repair that I'm going to do. Okay, so we're now going to repair this little hole. Now I'm going to use the end of a handle, because what I'm going to do is flatten the hole. Because it's coming outwards and sticking out slightly, I want it to go inwards so it gives a more smoother finish. So I'm just going to press this slightly into the hole so that it rounds it off and makes it more smooth. Okay, so we've rounded that off. Now looking at it, it's got a grain on this, so we want to follow the grain of the wood. So what I'm going to do now is place this with the grain just over the hole. And there we go. Alright, yes, it's visible, but it's a lot less unsightly than a hole. So this is a quick and simple little repair that you can make to your caravan. They're about £1.50 off eBay. I'll leave a link below. Now I thought that they were ideal really, especially if you've bought a used caravan and the previous owners like to put holes in the walls. You can get different colours and shades to match, and I think you can find some online that actually do cover up the wallboarding itself as well. So it's worth having a look at. So thank you very much for watching. I do hope you join us again soon. Please subscribe if you haven't, and give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Well, thank you very much, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.